stop. If you're using AI the same way as everyone else, you're doing it wrong. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you simple AI tricks that instantly put you ahead of 90% of people. And the last trick, that's the one most experts never talk about. Most people open AI, ask a basic question, get a basic answer, and think that's it. But professionals don't use AI like a chatbot, they use it like a thinking partner, a system, and sometimes a silent employee working 24/7. Let me show you how. Here's the first mistake beginners make: they ask AI what to do. Pros tell AI who to be. Instead of saying, write a YouTube script, they say, you are a viral YouTube scriptwriter with 10 years of experience. Your job is to hook viewers in 5 seconds and keep retention high. Same AI, completely different output. AI performs at the level of the role you assign it. Want smarter results instantly? Add this line to your prompt. Think step by step before answering. Why does this work? Because AI usually gives the fastest answer, not the best one. When you force it to reason first, you unlock deeper logic, better structure, and clearer ideas. This one sentence alone can upgrade everything you create. Beginners ask once. Pros refine. They say things like, make this shorter, now make it more emotional, rewrite this for beginners. Each response improves the last one. AI isn't magic on the first try. It becomes powerful when you guide it like a process. Here's a pro level move. Instead of asking AI for answers, ask it to compare options. Example: which of these three ideas has the highest chance of going viral? And was he is oh and why? This forces AI to analyze, predict, and justify. That's how professionals use AI for strategy, not just content. AI won't replace people who use it casually, but people who use AI properly will replace those who don't. So the real question isn't, is AI powerful? It's, are you using it like a beginner or like a pro? If this helped you, subscribe because the next video goes even deeper.